Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. It's kind of bright in here, but I'm going to show you see the whiteness on the rubber steering wheel here. So I'm going to show you how I clean that. Sorry for the interruption here. I'm going to put this on my head. All right. I'm using Chemical Guys Interior Cleaner Nonsense Super Clean, using their light brush and then a soft brush. So I just kind of put a towel here over spray, but I'm gonna just lightly soak that a little bit. Probably put this on my leg here so I can get a little drops. And I'm gonna spray my brush, and this is a Ford, and it's a rubber, so I'm just gonna lightly start agitating it to get that oil. It's basically all it is. It's oil residue from your hands, dirt, and you can see that starting to turn color, lifting that dirt. So we're just gonna lightly keep agitating it. Just take any kind of microfiber, wipe it over. So got a little bit off. Okay, I'm gonna go again. So I can see that it's really in this, so I'm gonna give it another squirt. Just gonna put a little bit more pressure on here. And this is soft bristle brush, so it's not gonna scratch or mar the vinyl or rubber on this. As you can see, I'm scrubbing it to a suds, so I can really get in those pores. There we go. So let's try this area here. And you see right here, see all you always get this on the turn signals too as well. So if I just let it sit just for a couple seconds, and you can see it just wipes right off. But when you have a kind of raised grip pattern here, it really gets in there, so you're gonna have to use a little more elbow grease. But as you can see, it's really lifting it off. There we go. Now you can really see that difference. So see how it's getting back to its natural color here, and then you can see the white here, and especially underneath here. Hopefully this camera angle will see this. So melt that right off. Right there, I couldn't get the brush in there. So I'm going to continue the process around the plastic here, and we'll do an after and how I treat it. All right, we're back. So I've cleaned this up. Now I'm going to take my Silk and Shine dressing, and I'm going to do the all the interior surfaces, all the rubber, the panels, door panels, the dash, everything. It's going to give us a real nice look. I really like this product. No oily, greasy, or sticky residue. WeatherTech. New car scent. Sprayable, 100% dry to the touch. I love these applicators. You can get these at Chemical Guys as well. I go to Detail Garage in Mesa, Arizona. So I'm just going to spray it on this applicator pad. Just get it kind of wet. And I'm going to apply it to the steering wheel. So as you can see, it won't be slippery, it won't be slick, but it gives it that deep, especially your turn signals, your wiper signals. I just give it a little, brings it back to that new car, you know, look. Gets it that deep dark look, like it's brand new. Puts a UV protectant on it, and customers really like the way it looks, and it smells really good. It's got that new car finish, or new car scent. So there we go. That's how I clean, protect a nice rubber steering wheel. If it's leather, I go through the same cleaning process. I'll use the leather cleaner, but then you know, and a leather serum on there. But if it's a synthetic or rubber or vinyl, this is my go-to. Any other questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button, everybody. And don't forget to see my friends down at Detail Garage. They have 3 locations in Phoenix, North Phoenix, Avondale, and Mesa. And the location of Mesa is on the corner of Price Road, right off the 101 freeway and Baseline. Have a great day, everybody. Take care.